Well, with Halloween just around the corner, everyone's looking for the perfect get-up. News 3 Nicole's Houston found one shop offering late costume ideas.
If you're not one for the traditional Grim Reaper or Black Cat costume, I'm here at one place that's right up your alley. Located on Elliston Pike in downtown Nashville is a unique boutique called Flashback Vintage. This one-of-a-kind shop offers authentic digs for customers looking for the ultimate Halloween experience.
A band, like a marching band, like the cymbals and the hat.
It's an old Saturday Night Live skit. Steve Martin and Dan Aykroyd it's called the Czech Brothers.
It's owned and operated by a mother-daughter duo who established the store in California over 30 years ago. Almost everything you'll find in the store is straight out of its era. That promises to give you a genuine flashback costume.
A niche, thank God, you know, and we have destination traffic that comes to us. And, we're here, and maybe they won't come but once a year, but here they are. And you're going to get a one-of-a-kind outfit.
So, if you're looking for your own one-of-a-kind vintage Halloween costume, head on down to Flashback over off West End. They have everything from hats to sunglasses to transform you into whoever you want to be this Halloween.
You can do 20s, you can do 30s, you can do... We don't have actual clothing from the 1800s, but we can make you look like you came from the 1800s, all the way up to the present.
The 60s, 70s, traditional, straight down the line.
From Western cowboy wear to platform shoes, Flashback offers something for everyone. So, whether you want to be James, Elvis, or Michael this Halloween, Flashback Vintage has everything for your late costume needs. For EMC News 3, I'm Nicole Houston.
Thank you, Nicole. And for directions to Flashback and more unique Halloween shops, log on to our website at emcnews3.com and click on the Halloween link.
They're all going to be right there.
Okay. All right.
I've got some.
We'll go by there and check it out.
She takes her